really want to learn more about cross-borders. It's the first time, so I'm very excited to meet everybody, and it's a great opportunity to learn from different industries that can then be applied to mine.
It's a wonderful event. It's my fourth time.
The best experience this evening, of course, is to meet new people. Each event has new people to meet, new companies, new experiences, new tops, new flops. It's very good to listen to all this knowledge from different countries, different nationalities, different company sizes.
I joined this cross-border C-Suite Spring event because at Galerie Lafayette we're just starting to go cross-border. So we have huge challenges. We need to know how to organize, how to find the best solution, the best transportation companies. So far, my best experience was winning the Pitch Award. I'm very happy about it because I think we were the outsider because there were such big contenders with Timor and Burton that I didn't think we had any chance to win. But I think making everyone laugh was a good way to win this pitch.
Because I wanted to know what it is, I read about it online. I see that many different people here from different industries, so I was very curious to be.
My best experience this evening, it was listening to the general manager for Alibaba Group. She was really putting out there which are the differences between the consumer behavior in Western world versus China. And I think it was really, really interesting.
Food, as always, amazing. The drinks are amazing. The networking. Before we actually start this actual event, we have already the review online on LinkedIn. We make sure we have all of the networks already done. And here is just saying hi and bye, having the best of time and a drink together. And this is the way how you're supposed to do a proper networking as well.
Introduce you today the winner, Lily.
In this case, I would say just be here, make sure you be invited and become a member because this is the place to be.